What on earth is not microbiology? Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is li.edu and today we are going to be treating Introductory Microbiology and we are going to take the introduction to the course. I'm your host, Emmanuel. What is microbiology? Microbiology is the study of microorganisms. And these microorganisms are tiny living things that cannot be seen with the ordinary eyes except with the help of the microscope. Though some microorganisms like fungi, molds can be seen with the naked eye, but others cannot be seen. Microorganisms includes bacteria such as E. coli, Vibrio cholerae, and then we also have fungi such as Aspergillus and the yeast fungi such as Candida albicans or other Candida species. Then we also have protozoans such as the Entamoeba histolytica, and then we also have viruses such as the human immune deficiency virus, HIV, COVID-19, Ebola, and the likes of others. Moving forward, microorganisms are ubiquitous. Why are microorganisms ubiquitous? Ubiquitous in the sense that microorganisms can be found everywhere, in the soil, in water, in the environment, and their activities could be positive or negative in the environment. The study of microorganisms involves structures, functions, and the role they play in the environment. Like I said earlier on, these activities could be positive or negative. These organisms are dispatched to the environment via the activities of man. Don't forget to click the like button, follow, comment, and share if this content is interesting to you so that it can cover a wide audience. Branches of microbiology. Now, microbiology encompasses several branches which include bacteriology. Bacteriology is the study of bacteria, their structure, role, or functions in the environment and their interactions as well. Then we have virology. Virology is the study of virus, their structures, the role, and their interaction with host. Remember, viruses outside the host is non-living, while in the host it is what? Living. Therefore, we can say that the study of virology has to do with the virus and their interaction with their host. Then we have mycology, which is the study of fungi, their structures, the role they play in the environment. Also, we have immunology, which is the study of the immune system. So microbiology also talks about immune system. When we come in contact with diseases, sometimes our body tends to offer resistance to these diseases, or sometimes we are susceptible to these diseases. So that has to do with the immune system. Now, going further, what are the importance of microbiology? Microbiology is relevant in medicine because with the help of microbiology, we are able to identify the causes of disease. Not only our causes, but we also tend to provide solutions to these diseases. Also, in agricultural sectors, microbiology has been useful in the areas of production of fertilizers or biofertilizers, where we use microorganisms in the treatment of soil and others. Also in the fermentation in the industry, when we use microorganisms for the purpose of fermentation and production of other industrial products. Microorganisms is useful in biology, in the field of biotechnology, where we use microorganisms for bioremediation. Let's talk about some tools and techniques that are used in the study of microbiology. Most important tools include microscopy, where we use the electron microscope and the light microscope for the study of microorganisms. We also have culture, where we culture these organisms. We isolate these organisms to study them, and then we have molecular techniques such as the use of PCR that we use to identify these organisms down to the species level. Don't forget, I'm your host, Emmanuel. Click the like button, follow, and drop a comment so that this video can get to a large audience. Thank you and bye.